Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a vintage lighter, which is also an ashtray. I think it would be appropriate to describe it as a table lighter whose base doubles as an ashtray. I have had this lighter listed on eBay before. I had it listed for the longest time at $99.99. I got a couple of offers in the $70 to $75 range and did not accept them at the time. I don't know exactly where I'm going to list it this time around, but probably somewhere in that rather than the $100 neighborhood that it was listed before. It will have the buy it now option, but I'm not going to give this lighter away. It's very unique. I haven't seen another like it. This is the first real video that we've done for this lighter. There was a video back in the days when we were still playing music during the videos, little short 1 to 1.5 minute videos. So now we're going to give it the full treatment and list it again after showing it off a little bit more extensively rather than just a little hit and run like we had done with it before. I actually had the foresight this time to wait until I had the lighter in front of the camera to refuel it, which you'll see this is not a very big fuel reservoir, so it doesn't take much. I kind of second thought myself there for a minute and almost put some more in it, but went ahead and closed it up, and here in a minute we'll fire it up and you'll see it is working just fine. It does have a Zippo type copper woven wire wick, which is very stiff. I think it would probably be better. I don't know. Giovanni says he uses those copper wicks in all his lighters. I really like the Imco type or old Ronson wicks. I really like those wicks in most of my lighters. The base of the lighter is just a little bit over 2.5 inches on the outside, and then if you measure it on the inside, which I don't know that anybody gets that precise with these things, but if they do, I believe then it is just a little under 2.5 inches, maybe 7/16, so pretty much a shade under 2.5 inches. And then the outside diameter of the actual lighter portion is about 5/8 of an inch, just a little bit over that. This lighter shows plenty of tarnish. Overall, it is a little bit under 2.5, or about 2 3/8 it looks like, right about 2 3/8 inches tall. When I bought this lighter, it was listed by the eBay seller Lightersaurus, someone that I have purchased from many times over the last 5 years or so, and will continue to as long as he is listing lighters. He listed it as a silver plated ashtray table lighter, I believe. I specifically remember that it was listed as silver plated. It seems to be true to me. The tarnish is odd looking. It's not the same as chrome. The insert that you can see there is brass and very worn. It was kind of knurled up when I got it. The inside of the cap looks very clean. The outside has a tarnish and a wear to it that sort of makes it look crimped. It is the original wadding that I received in the lighter, although I did replace the wick some time back. You can see the flint spring screw is adjustable by hand. It's not tight or anything like that. So it all slips together. It all works as it is supposed to. It's a little bit more manual type system than a hinged lighter or an automatic or semi-automatic where everything stays connected. The cap comes off, but you can see that tone of the tarnish there. Where I cleaned the base, it is very shiny. There's still carbon buildup and some ash. I'm not going to clean it too much simply because I don't want to wear through the plating, polish through any plating. If it is silver plate, I don't know. You see people in the lighter groups all the time worried about ruining the silver plate. This obviously has some corrosion, wear, and like I said, other tarnish. I don't know what it would do. I would hate to polish it and polish it away, any of it, really. But it does seem very shiny where I wiped it down, but like I said, short of taking some kind of polish to the lighter portion, I don't know what it would take to actually shine that up. And I don't know, for purposes of the listing, what the age is. I think this would probably be described by a lot of people as a trench lighter. I'm not so sure of that. It seems more in the line of a lipstick lighter or maybe a candle. I'm not sure. Just doesn't seem, well, I'm saying it doesn't seem that rudimentary or basic, but then if you look at the cap and you see the way that it has worn, like I said, it sort of looks like a crease going all the way around it or partially the way around it. But that may not be the metal at all. That may just be the way that the tarnish has built up there over time. It's a very cool old lighter, which I wish I could keep in my collection. It's just not in the cards. It wasn't meant to be. Maybe I get no offers for it, and it'll still be sitting over there on the shelf a year from now. But as far as I'm concerned, this lighter is no longer part of my collection. It's going to be put over into the portable containers, in the bubble wrap, the plastic Ziploc type bags that the lighters go in as they're being prepared to be packaged up and shipped off after they are sold. Until next time.